Hello everyone, second update today. I've been working more on the collision avoidance system and more specifically on calculating the velocity obstacle if B was moving. Remember before I said we consider that B is not moving. Well, if we now add that factor in and say, we kind of know what types of what velocities are part of the domain of velocities that B can do. How we know that, that's yet to come later on in the process of building the algorithm. But if we knew that, well, then we could update our velocity obstacle and account for that by using something called the Minkowski sum. So what does it look like here? If I press play, in red here, and the red shape, I'm going to move this a little bit because it doesn't make things very clear. But the red shape here is the velocity obstacle if B was not to move. But the green shape here is the set of potential velocities B could pick from, potential valid velocities for B. And so because B could potentially move in any of those directions, that means he could be moving this way. Well, then I can update my velocity obstacle saying, if B was to move diagonally, well, I shouldn't be here as well. So it should be part of my velocity obstacle too. And if the velocities amongst which B can choose are a little bit broader, well, that reduces the amount of possibilities for our agent as well. And same thing here. If I take this polygon here and say, hey, you know what? B is actually going to choose a velocity that's going to go like this. And it's kind of likely because, well, if we look at this, this might bug out. If I take B and yeah, this will bug out because there are some things I need to set on the optimal ROA script for B. But anyways, this way you can see that A kind of has no choice. He has to go sideways unless he goes really fast, because any velocity vector that is outside this range is guaranteed to not result in a collision with B, whatever the velocity B chooses from that area here, from that domain of possible velocities for him. So that's it for today, and looking forward to work some more on this.